Mainz is a city in Germany situated on the banks of the Rhine River. Mainz is also the capital of the German state of Rhineland-Palatinate. Its strategic location on the Rhine River and the proximity to important transport routes and major cities such as Frankfurt am Main have significantly shaped its history, culture and economic development. As the capital of the federal state of Rhineland-Palatinate, it has great political and economic importance since Mainz can be seen as a sort of gateway for entrepreneurs and large corporations that want to do business in that particular region. Mainz has a rich history that dates back to Roman times. Archaeological evidence suggests that the area was inhabited as early as the 1st century. According to historical records, Mainz was part of the Roman Empire for almost 500 years. To this day, some remnants of the Roman Empire can still be seen. Like the Roman theater, an ancient theater probably built in the 1st century. Mainz has many tourist attractions. The most famous tourist attraction is the Mainz Cathedral. Because of its cultural and historical significance, Mainz Cathedral is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts visitors from all over the world who want to admire its architecture and learn more about its history. The cathedral has a long and rich history, dating back to its founding in the 10th century. It was originally built in the Romanesque style, a typical architectural style for buildings in medieval Europe. The market square is the heart of the old town. It is a busy square surrounded by historic buildings. Mainz is home to one of the oldest universities in Germany, which was probably founded around 1477. Therefore Mainz, as an educational location for aspiring academics, attracts many young people from the Rhine-Main area. The university offers a wide range of bachelor's, master's and doctoral programs in various disciplines. A very well-known personality who is connected to the city of Mainz is Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg's connection to Mainz is significant because it was in this city, located in present-day Germany, where he was born and where he developed his groundbreaking printing technology. Mainz was an already thriving center of trade and culture in the 15th century, making it an ideal location for Gutenberg's experiments and innovations in printing. This is what one of the first printing presses in medieval Europe is said to have looked like. Overall, Mainz as a city combines its rich history, cultural heritage, academic significance and picturesque surroundings to offer visitors a diverse and vibrant city experience in the heart of Germany's Rhine region. A beautiful city that is definitely worth a visit. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more related content. Thank you so much for watching.